Hi guys, today I will show you the video for the troubleshooting of your Xbox 360 if it's not turning on even after putting the new batteries as well. So to fix this issue you will need a simple brush and a cotton stick, and if you have alcohol that would be great. So first clean the springs on your controller, the springs here. So first clean these springs with your brush like this, very gently, don't push it hard. Then the corroded part on your holder here, you can see the white part, very little. And after that use your cotton stick with alcohol or without alcohol to clean the metal plates on the bottom. And don't forget to throw away these corroded batteries, not good for your body and face. And don't forget to clean your hands as well. So after cleaning all the parts, now it's time to see if it works or not. So I'll put these two new batteries and we will see if it works or not. So now you can see it's my Xbox controller is working. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it will fix your controller as well. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.